Hey guys, I hope you are having a great day. Welcome to the channel where you will be unexpectedly amazed. This tempted tiger forgot that he was in a glass enclosure and tried to attack this tourist.
Like, he is seriously in prowler mode.
What if he breaks through the glass? Miguel, you're dead.
Yeah, he breaks through the glass, you are on your own.
Yeah, I'll let him eat on you while I run.
Miguel, do not turn around, man. Okay, he's losing interest. Wait, nope. He's still prowling.
Miguel, turn around and act like you're scared. It's on the other side. I told you.
This cop loves to pull over his daughter just to annoy her.
Over. Game over.
License, registration, and insurance, please.
Dad, we've been through this. You can't just pull me over because you see my car on the road.
I was just making sure you're okay.
For some reason, this trick confuses the brain. These firefighters were doing a public demonstration showing why you should never try to put out a grease or oil fire using water. This deep clean creates an ASMR experience. This is an inside view showcasing what firefighters have to go through to reach their destination when faced with traffic. The pilot of this Chinook did a quick stop maneuver, then proceeded to hover away.
Approach the rear of the aircraft with So there we go, as promised, please show your appreciation now to the crew by giving them a big wave as they pass along the crowd line. Really super stuff.
We have unfortunately reached the end of this video. I'll see you in the next video. Later.